Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. This is the makeup look that I was wearing in my 19th birthday haul that you probably saw last week or a few days ago. I'm not sure when I'll be uploading this video. It's a little bit purple, a little bit sparkly. I think it's really fun. I'm just going to show you like the eyes and like the lips and blush and stuff today. I'm not going to show my foundation because that's just going to make the video way too long. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching, and please give a thumbs up if you like it. So I've already got my foundation, concealer, powder, and my eyebrows already on, just to kind of speed up this video a bit. So I'm taking the Nocturnal shadow box from Urban Decay, and I'm taking the first shade Riff, and I'm going to buff that into my crease with just this fluffy shadow brush. This palette is now discontinued, but most of these shadows, I think all of them except for one that I'm using today, are available in just single shadows from Urban Decay. Next I'm taking the shade ABC Gum, which my camera did not want to focus on this shadow, but it's just kind of a light nude, neutral shade. And I'm taking that on that same big fluffy brush, and I'm just blending out the outer edges of that first shadow, basically all the way up to my eyebrow, just to make sure that nothing's harsh on the outer edges. Also, there was a spot of eyeshadow on my right eye that did not want to blend out. I think it was where the concealer was still wet, and that kind of drove me nuts. Next I'm taking the shade Delete, which is just a dark kind of neutral brown. I'm blending just a little bit of this into my outer half of my crease. This is one of the shades that they do not sell anymore, but I'm sure you could easily find a dupe for this. Next I'm going to take the first two shades that I used, Riff and ABC Gum, and mix them together and just blend out that darker shadow. Now I'm taking kind of a flat eyeshadow brush and the shade Riff again, and I'm just lining under my lower lash line with this. Only about a half or 2/3 of the way in on the outer edges, outer corner. So now I'm going in with Delete again on an angled, smaller than angled brush, and I'm just putting that under my lash line on the outer half. So now I'm going in with this NYX Foil Play Cream Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Smart Mouth, and it's just kind of a sparkly purple. And I tried taking it on a flat, shader brush, but that did not want to show up on my lids, so I just went in with my finger, and I just put this shadow all over my entire lid space. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. I also tried to put some of this on my lower lash line with that brush, but that didn't really want to show up, so I took that same angled brush again, and that worked a little bit better. Next, I wanted to add a bit more sparkle, so I went in with the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid shadow on that angled brush again, and I lined my upper lash line with this, and I also put a bit on my lower lash line. Next I took the Maneater liquid liner from Tarte, and I just did a really thin line on my upper lash line with this, mainly just to help my false lashes blend in. I made sure to not cover up that glitter that I had done earlier. For mascara, I'm using the Worth the Hype mascara from NYX, and then I use the Shy Lashes from Kiss.
To create a song, I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go.
Added a little bit more mascara to blend the lashes with my real ones, and that completes the eyes. So now onto the face. I'm using some butter bronzer from Physicians Formula just on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and also some on my chin and my jawline a bit. For blush, I used the Milani blush in Tea Rose, and I mixed it with some Songbird from Becca. For highlighter, I used Luminous from Urban Decay. It's the Naked Illuminated highlighter. It's a little bit sparkly, but I don't mind glitter in my highlighters. Also put that on my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Then I blended out the blush and bronzer a little bit with just some powder. And after setting spray from E.L.F, I took a little bit more of that highlighter on my inner corner of my eyes. Then for lips, I went in with Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Fresh Cut. This is a nice, it's like pink, but it's got a purple undertone. I really like this color a lot. Next, I took a Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is in the shade Kink, which they do not sell anymore. I think it was limited edition, but it's just kind of like a sheer darker purple color with a little bit of glitter in it. And that completes this makeup look.
I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks so much for clicking on it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the little bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you can get notified each time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. All my links will be in the description box, and I have Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Periscope. So thanks so much for watching, and please leave me a comment suggesting what kind of videos you want me to upload, and I'll see you next time. Bye!